Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about DJT or Trump Media stock today because given the amount of volume that has came through as this stock has gone higher, kind of lets us know that somebody had a whole lot of stock to sell. Now, who could be in possession of that much stock? Donald Trump. Is he selling as price in DJT went higher? Because I think so. You cannot create this much volume in one stock without somebody having a whole lot of possession and they're selling it. I think he just sold his stake, or at least some of his stake, in this stock. This one day right here, look at this volume bar right there. That volume, we haven't seen this much volume in this market for DJT, taking it all the way back to when the market first started trading, 2021. All the other volume bars has been minimal compared to what occurred on this day. Now, this day, October 29th, occurred after the lockup period that Trump could not sell his stock. So now that he's free to sell his position, his stake, it only makes logical sense that if he wants to sell at a profit, that he needs to sell as the stock goes up. So who are the unsuspecting people who bought his stock? Because maybe this could be the last high in the market for DJT. Let's talk about it. So let's clean up this chart real quick. And we're going to get rid of these sellers pockets here because the buyers in DJT were actually successful in breaking these pockets. So we don't need to keep it on our chart. We can get rid of it. Now, we are definitely seeing some selling pressure hit this stock right now. The last 4 days, we've definitely seen this market in DJT get hit with some sellers. Now, the question is, will it continue? We may see the market in DJT at least attempt to hold this area here. Okay, that would be one target. Now, let's create some sellers pockets. Okay. Let's look at this on the 330-minute chart. All right, so it's right here. There's another one here too. All right. So now let's look at DJT, Trump Media, this stock on the 2. Okay. Look at that. This 2-day price bar here is already letting us know who is currently moving the price. Answer is sellers, not the buyers. Here it is on the 3. We have a couple more hours on the 3. 9 hours and 13 minutes. And we're still getting the same type of signal. Who is controlling the price? It's the sellers. Okay. What about on the 4? Definitely the sellers. Definitely the sellers. This 4-day bar right here kind of lends me to say it might not even hold this first buyer's pocket. That's how weak that looks. Here it is on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. This is massively weak right there. That's massively weak. How the price action traded last week, given the amount of volume that shot through on that day too. Yeah, that's not bullish at all. You definitely don't want to see nothing of this high volume with this type of price bar. You do not want to see that. You don't want to see that, but it's there. Here it is on the 2. Again, looks weak. 5. Here it is on the 3 and the monthly chart. So I'm done I'm finished looking at the price action in DJT. If he's selling his position, then maybe you should too, because somebody doesn't want to hold this stock. Like, the name of the game is to make sure that you're on the winning team and not the losing team. The moment that you see this transition, the switch of price action, that's when you need a switch. So we're going to anticipate some lower prices in DJT. Here's our first target right here at this first buyer's pocket, either at the high or the low. Then our second one is going to be at this second buyer's pocket, which is around like $20. Okay, so that is it. I am finished. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.